Probability. Random experiment. An experiment whose all possible outcomes are known in advance, but the outcome of any specific performance can't be predicted before the completion of the experiment is known as a random experiment. A few laws of probability. Mutually exclusive events. A set of events is said to be mutually exclusive if the occurrence of one of them precludes the occurrence of any other of the events. That is, occurrence of one event precedes the occurrence of the other. If the set of events E1, E2 and so on En are exhaustive events, then E1 intersection E2 intersection and so on En is phi. Exhaustive events. A set of events are said to be exhaustive if at least one of the events compulsorily occurs. If the sample space has n points and event A has m points, then the probability of P of A is m by n. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. Probability of success is 1 and probability of event not occurring is 0. The probability of odds in favor of A is P of A by P of A bar, that is m by n minus m. The probability of odds in against A, that is P of A bar by P of A, is n minus m by m. A few important results. If the letters if n letters corresponding to n envelopes are placed in the envelopes at random, then the probability of the letters are in correct envelopes is 1 by n factorial. The letters are not in the right envelope is 1 minus 1 by n factorial. The probability that no letter is in the right envelope is 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus and so on minus 1 whole power n into 1 by n factorial. The probability that exactly r letters are in right envelopes is 1 by n r factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial and so on minus 1 whole power n minus r into 1 by n minus r factorial. Addition theorem of probability. If A and B are two events associated with a random experiment, then P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. If A, B, C are three events associated with a random experiment, then P of A union B union C is given by P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. A few inequalities. P of A intersection B is greater than or equal to P of A plus P of B minus 1. P of A intersection B intersection C is greater than or equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus 2. P of A bar intersection B bar is 1 minus P of A union B. P of A bar union B bar is 1 minus P of A intersection B. P of A is equal to P of A intersection B plus P of A intersection B bar. P of B is P of B intersection A plus P of B intersection A bar. If the probability of exactly one event out of E1 and E2 occurs is P of E1 plus P of E2 minus 2 into P of E1 intersection E2. The probability neither of the two, that is E1 or E2, occurs is 1 minus P of E union E1 union E2. Conditional probability. The probability of occurrence of an event B when it is known that some event A has occurred is called conditional probability. If A and B are two events associated with the sample space of a random experiment, then the conditional probability of the given A, B occurred is P of A by B, that is P of A intersection B by P of B. A few properties on conditional probabilities. Let A and B be two events of a sample space S of an experiment, then P of S by A is P of A by A, that is 1. P of A bar by B, that is 1 minus P of A by B. Multiplication theorem. If A and B are two events associated with a random experiment, then P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B by A, that is P of B into P of A by B, where P of A and P of B are not equal to 0. Independent events. Two events are said to be independent if the occurrence of one does not depend upon the other. That is when P of B by A is P of A intersection B by P of A. That is P of B. Since P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B, then it is said to be that P of A and P of B are independent. Bayes' theorem. It is also called at times as inverse probability theorem. Let us consider an event A of sample space S. Let us say that the event A is found to have occurred and we have to find the probability that it has occurred at the cause of, say, AI. Then the total probability is given by P of A is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of AI into P of A by AI. That is, P of A by AI can be written as P of AI intersection A by P of A. P of AI intersection A can be written as P of AI into P of A by AI by P of A. So P of A by AI by A is P of AI into P of A by AI by sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of AI into P of A by AI. That is the Bayes' theorem. Probability distribution of random variable. A random variable is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of a random experiment. A random variable is usually denoted by capital letters X, Y, Z and so on. For this, the main is given by Pixi plus P2x2 and so on, that is written as sigma I is equal to 1 to n Pixi. Variance is given by sigma I is equal to 1 to n Pixi square minus sigma I is equal to 1 to n Pixi whole square. Bernoulli's trails and binomial distribution. Consider a random experiment whose outcomes can be classified as success or failure. It means that the experiment results in only two outcomes, that is success or failure. Further, assume that the experiment can be repeated several times. The probability of success or failure in any trial are P and Q. That is, P plus Q is 1 and don't vary from trial to trial, and finally different trials are independent. Such an experiment is called a binomial experiment and trials are said to be binomial trials. A probability distribution representing the binomial trials is said to be a binomial distribution. For example, let us consider that the binomial experiment, which has been repeated n times, let the probability of success and failure in any trial be P and Q respectively. And we are interested in the probability of occurrence of exactly R successes in these n trials. Now the number of ways of choosing R successes in n trials is NCR. Probability of R successes and n minus R failures is P power R into Q power n minus R. So that is written by P of X is equal to R NCR into P power R into Q power n minus R. The probability of having first success as the rth trail is given by P into Q power R minus 1. Thank you.